Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Racer Rally 2 short riding glove. The Racer Rally 2 gloves retail for $89.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This glove is a total home run, okay? We got a lot of gloves in the Racer catalog. They're all good. There are a few that are just standouts. This is one of those. Let's begin with sizing. I'm wearing a 2X right now. I wear a 2X in almost every glove out there. These things feel amazing right out of the bag. Tons of comfort. Who are these right for? This is a short hybrid riding glove. Goatskin palm. Textile chassis on the back of the hand. And even Knox palm sliders built in. So we have a ton of protection here. While we're on the palm sliders, what are those there for? Well, most of us, when we're riding, we have a little fall. Instinctively, you're going to put your hands out to break your impact, right? It's kind of an instinct. A standard glove, right? When your hand hits the pavement, it can grab onto the palm of the glove, and it can overload the seams of the glove, or it could also transmit some energy into your wrist and create an injury. The scaphoid bone is a small bone in your wrist that it's a common injury in motorcycle crashes. For that reason, many years ago, Knox developed this palm slider deal to help prevent that. What these do is these slide much easier when they're on the road than the textile or the goatskin ever would. Helps to keep the glove together and helps prevent injury. It adds a lot of protection. I love seeing them on any glove, whether it's a street glove or a race glove. Them putting that on this glove really takes the protection to that next level. Touchscreen compatibility on the index finger and the thumb. I tested it. It works great. The textile on the back of the hand is all going to flow air freely. We have a nice stretch fabric in between each of the fingers. That'll flow air freely as well. Knuckle protector under the textile. Reflective piping here. It comes up just high enough to cover the end of the ulna. Protectors there on the thumb. This glove really moves great. Like, you get it on, the dexterity is fantastic. Full goat skin palm. The Knox palm sliders we already talked about. There's some additional padding there. And these are out of the way. Like, you don't notice these. All the race gloves we have palm sliders on them at this point. So I've ridden with them for years. They're invisible, right? Until you need them. Entry and exit is managed with this TPR pull and Velcro. And something that's nice here too is they've finished off this area right here with some stretch fabric. And what that's nice for is when your hands are on the bars all day, right? Any sunlight in that area, you can get like a little sunburn in that area. So it's just kind of nice to have that finished off. These are available in 2 different colorways currently. We've got the white black here, and then we have the all black over there. If you're riding a sport bike or a touring bike or an adventure bike, anything, and you're looking for that hybrid glove that offers a tremendous amount of comfort, airflow, without sacrificing all the protection, this one is going to be hard to beat. I can't say it enough. This is really a standout glove in the Racer catalog. How do we feel about Racer? If you've watched some of these videos already, you know that we have got the U.S. distribution rights for Racer. We bought it from a friend of ours. Been doing business with them for a long time. A lot of experience with these gloves. They're great products. That's why we brought it in-house. My son Max he has ownership in that company, and he's running it. Proud to be partnered with Racer. This glove is an example of one of the many things we love about that company. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. And always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.